Hello traders, I am showing you my profit so you can understand how much I have made using this strategy. You can also use same strategy and make money. Let's go to the strategy. Today I am going to share with you Forex powerful trading strategy. But first we open CAD CHF. In 15-minute time frame. This strategy we need Williams R indicator. If Williams R indicator cross lower line downside, then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If Williams R indicator cross upper line upside, then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like and share this video and subscribe to ForexLia.